Hi there, it's me again, Waldo. Today we are moving two gun safes weighing a total of 1,300 pounds. But first I would like to honor a very special lady. God bless America. This is the first gun safe. We install sliders under it and drag it out of the wall to be able to protect it with moving pads and plastic wrap. We install our hydraulics and the safe is ready to be wheeled to the truck. The next safe is tightly inserted in a niche. After dragging it out carefully, we protect the safe completely using cardboard. Now we are ready to winch both safes into our truck. At the destination, we unload the safes. First goes the one that will be installed inside of the house. We set up ramps and floor protection to bring in the gun safe. We bring in the gun safe and lower it on the floor using our hydraulics. After removing the jacks, I unwrap the safe and do the fine-tune positioning. Now it's time to unload the safe that will go into the garage. And that is it, one more job done. Thanks for watching. Your thumbs up is much appreciated.